Welcome to Almasa Environmental Solutions. Today, we're taking you inside one of our Greywater treatment plants. This facility is located in Rizal, and the plant treats 70 cubic meter of wastewater every day. First, we collect the greywater from shower, sinks, and laundry throughout the community building. It is then pumped into our Almasa Greywater Treatment Plant. Let's take a look at the treated water quality. Here is a sample of a treated water. As you can see, it is crystal clear, safe, and excellent high quality. So how do we achieve such high quality water treatment? The answer is Almasa Advanced MBR technology. Our process combines fine filtration, biological treatment, and membrane filtration to remove even the smallest particles. Our membranes can filter particles as small as 0.03 micron, and these modules are proudly manufactured here in the UAE at our own factory. Contact us today to learn how Almasa Environmental Solutions can provide high-quality wastewater treatment solution.